Hi, Sarah. How are you doing?
Hey Ben, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. So, what's your favorite cuisine?
Oh, I absolutely love Italian food, especially pizza.
Pizza is fantastic. What toppings do you usually go for?
I like mine with mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and mushrooms. What about you?
I'm a pizza enthusiast too, but my ultimate favorite is spaghetti.
Spaghetti is delicious. Do you prefer it with a tomato based sauce?
Yes, I love it with a rich tomato sauce and plenty of Parmesan cheese.
That sounds absolutely delicious. I'm a fan of spaghetti with tomato sauce as well.
Have you ever tried spaghetti with meatballs?
No, I haven't, but it sounds amazing.
It's one of my favorites. We should definitely try it at an authentic Italian restaurant sometime.
That sounds like a fantastic idea, Ben. Count me in.
Great. What other types of cuisine do you enjoy?
Besides Italian, I also love American comfort food, like burgers and fries.
Burgers are fantastic. I usually like mine with lettuce, tomato, and some ketchup.
That sounds delicious. I prefer mine with cheese, pickles, and a bit of barbecue sauce.
We seem to have similar tastes in food, Sarah.
Yes, it seems like it. What's your favorite dessert?
I'm a huge fan of ice cream, especially flavors like chocolate and vanilla.
Ice cream is heavenly. I like it with lots of toppings like sprinkles and chocolate sauce.
We should definitely go out for ice cream sometime.
I would love that, Ben. Ice cream is always a good idea.
Absolutely. I'm getting hungry just talking about all this food.
Me too. Let's make plans to go out soon.
Sounds like a plan, Sarah. I can't wait to explore new culinary delights with you.
Me neither, Ben. It's going to be so much fun.